welcome to our social studies lesson this week. Over the past few weeks, we've been looking at something very green. We've been looking at money. So today we're going to be asking ourselves, what can you do with money once you've earned it? But before that, I really want to jump into a recap of things that we've been learning the past week or so. The first terms that we learned in this unit were producers and consumers. But I'm going to kind of ignore this for just a second because I want to show you guys two other vocabulary words that are going to be popping up a lot, okay? So the first one I want to show you is goods, things that are made or grown. Everything that you can touch is a good. Little sushi is a good. This book is a good. This shirt is a good. Even the tablet or desktop or however you're watching this video, that kind of device is a good. It's something that is made or grown. Can include food too. Let's hop over to services. Now, a service is work that someone does for someone else. Think of whenever you go to a restaurant and the waiter brings you their food. You are paying the waiter to do that for you. Or if you go to a car wash and someone washes your car, they are washing the car for you. They're providing a service for you. So now that we've gone over goods and services, let's go ahead and jump down to the two big ones, producers and consumers. In the world of money, you can be a producer, you can be a consumer, or you can be both. The majority of people are both. So let's jump to producers first. So a producer is someone who makes or grows goods or offers services. So this is someone who either makes all these things to sell them or offers a service like waiting tables or like babysitting for money. Kind of take our little example of the farmer here. He's growing vegetables to sell at his market. He is selling things to get money back. So in a world of people who are producers, who are making all these amazing things for us to buy, there is the other side, a consumer. A consumer is someone who buys a good or service. So anytime you go to the store to buy a shirt or buy food, you are a consumer. Anytime you go with mom or dad or aunt or uncle or grandma or grandpa and you go and buy something like maybe some ice cream, you guys are consumers. You are purchasing something someone else made. Okay, after that quick recap, let's dive into today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we're asking the big questions. What do we do with money? So whenever you have $1, you have some options in front of you. You can either spend the money, you can either save the money, or you can donate the money. So let's go over each of those terms. First thing is spending. That one is really, really fun because you get something really cool in return. You can spend money on just about anything. So what are some things we can spend money on? We can spend money on clothes, on video games, on books. What else can we spend money on? Look around your house. What's something that you maybe or your family member bought? That bed that you sleep on, that is also something you spend money on. And food. That is something you spend money on. So the first thing you can do with your money is spend it. So then what's the next thing you can do with money? You can save it. Now, saving money means that you get something and then you're putting it away for another day. Why would we save money? Try and think of some reasons why. I know one reason I save money is so then I can buy things that I can't afford right now, but one day I will. Imagine if you want something that's about $15, but you only have $2. You can either spend that $2 or save it so then when you keep building up that amount, you can buy that big $15 item. Saving money can help you get bigger things so then you may spend. Saving's a really good option. The last thing you can do with money is donate it. Now, donating means that you give your money without you're not really buying a good or a service. You're doing it from the good of your heart. So you can donate money to charity, you can donate money to animal shelters, whatever you see fit. You're just kind of giving that money away, which is a really kind thing to do. In order to be able to spend, save, and donate, we need to talk about another really important word. This word is called income. Now, income is money that you have earned by producing something. So you can get this income by either making something and selling it or offering a service and sell it. So let's think of us, and you can offer goods and services. A lot of you guys are doing it already. So for example, some goods that you could do is make a bracelet and then sell it for maybe 50 cents, you are getting an income of money by producing a good. A service that you might be doing right now are chores. Some of us do chores and earn money. I know with Callan, what he does is he has chores every day, but if he does extra, he can earn money, earn an income as a producer because he's offering that service to me, and then he can choose on what he does with that money. It's pretty neat and really cool. So for this week's assignment, you're gonna need some things. First, you need to find an adult in your family. So this could either be someone that you're living with right now, or you can give someone a phone call or a FaceTime and ask them some simple questions. You're gonna be conducting an interview, which means you're gonna be asking them some questions and recording down their answers. So let's go over the questions that you're going to ask. If you want, you can write them down now, but they're on Seesaw, so don't worry, you're good to go. Question that you wanna ask your family member is, why do you spend money the way you do? So all you're wondering for this question is, what do they choose to do with their money? Do they choose to spend, save, or donate? And why? Why do you think it is important to save money? That's a really good question to ask, and I bet you're gonna get an amazing answer. So I can't wait to hear these responses. The last question you wanna ask your family member is, why do you think it's important to make responsible choices with your money? This is also a very good question that is gonna have an amazing response, so make sure you are listening and make sure you're recording because I can't wait to hear them. You can turn this in one of 3 ways. The first way is you can actually sit down with a phone or with a camera, maybe the web camera on your laptop, and just record the interview as it goes and then just upload it to Seesaw. The second way you can do it is a voice recording on Seesaw. You just have to click the Seesaw app right near you and hit record and just record the interview as it goes. The last thing you can do is write down their responses and then take a photo and upload it to Seesaw. So try and upload one of 3 ways in order to turn it in. All right, guys, I'm super excited to see what you guys decide. I will see you in the next video.